CBIC has issued 4 notifications in past 2 days. One notification on 8th June 2020 and another 3 notifications on 9th June. We are going to have a quick look on these notifications one by one. Notification number 44/2020 dated 8th June 2020. It says that provision of Rule 67A inserted last month wide notification number 38/2020 shall apply from 8th June 2020. It means that from 8th June, nil return of GSTR 3B shall be submitted by SMS facility without logging into GST portal. Press release by CBIC on 8th June has prescribed the procedure for filing these nil returns by SMS. SMS is required to be sent to 14409 in the following format. To initiate the filing, SMS shall be nil space 3D space GSTIN space tax period. Tax period for May shall be 052020. After this, a message with a code or OTP will be received. Then for confirming the nil filing, another SMS needs to be sent. CNF space 3B space code. Code is the OTP which we have received in the message. Then another message of successful filing of GSTR 3B shall be received along with the acknowledgement ARN number. For help to receive assistance through SMS, the following text code can be used: help space 3B. Notification number 45/2020 dated 9th June 2020. Through this, transition date of 31st May 2020 specified in earlier notification 10/2020 dated 21st March 20 is replaced by 31st July 2020. Let's understand what is notification number 10/2020. Taxpayers whose principal place of business till 26th January was in erstwhile Union Territory of Daman and Diu or in erstwhile Union Territory of Dadar and Nagar Haveli and is now in the merged Union Territory of Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli from 27th January onwards. They are supposed to follow special procedures till 31st May 2020 as per previous notification. Since this date is now replaced, so these special procedures are now to be followed till revised date of 31st July 2020. Through this notification, tax period has been specified for filing returns and paying tax, which are as follows. Tax period of January 20 shall start from 1st January 20 to 25th January 20. Tax period of February 20 shall start from 26th January to 29th Feb. Irrespective of particulars of tax charged in invoice or in other documents raised from 26th January 2020 till the transition date, applicable taxes are to be paid in respective periodical returns under section 39. Option for transferring the ITC from former Union Territory to the new Union Territory has been provided after filing the return of January 20. That is the period from 1st January 2020 to 25th January 2020. Notification number 46/2020. In case where a notice has been issued for rejection of refund claim in full or in part and where the time limit for issuance of order falls during the period from 20th March 2020 to 29th June 2020. The time limit which earlier as per section 54 subsection 7 was 60 days. This time limit for issuance of order has now been extended to further 15 days. That is 75 days after the receipt of a reply to the notice from the registered person or 30th June 2020, whichever is later. This notification shall come in force retrospectively from 20th March 2020. Notification number 47/2020. In case of e-way bill generated up to 24th March 2020 and whose validity expired on or after 28th March 2020, the validity of such e-waybill has been extended further till 30th June 2020. This notification shall be applicable from 31st May. So these were the notifications that were issued in the beginning of the month, June 2020. For future GST and other updates, kindly subscribe our channel Tax Pyramid. Thank you.